Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin, Brimwild Mission here. Got my 2026 Ohio turkey here. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I like to get my favorite cut of meat off a wild turkey, and that is the breast meat. It's super easy. If you get a bird and you roll it and look and see, you see this white spot right here. So this is the sternum here, okay? So you can see where it's rubbed here because that's where they're nesting in the tree. So the feathers just naturally kind of rub away, so they have that bald spot there. All you're gonna wanna do, just take a sharp knife. I like to do a small knife for this part. Find that sternal bone, cut down, work my way, kind of cut this membrane away here. And just work down like so. Doesn't need to be crazy or anything. Like I said, it's already bare there because that's where they roost in the tree. So we'll get all these feathers out of the way, and you can see here we're just kind of cutting that skin away. We'll just open this up really good. We're clearing that away like so. Wild turkey is naturally tough. I am game to try parts outside the breast. But if I was going to introduce somebody to wild game, I would not start with other meat on a wild turkey. So, like I said, we're just kind of opening this up here. I'm trying to keep some of these feathers and stuff away here, but those will all wash off easily later. So once we open that, literally can just push this open here. You can see the feather out of there. You can see there's our breast meat right there. So I'm going to clean it up a little more. Just being careful where you're going with your knife. You don't cut yourself. A lot of feathers, and like I said, if you do get feathers on your meat, it's not the end of the world. You can wash them off, just cold water. But so get some of these and pin those out. If you can pop the legs out of the sockets too, that makes it a little bit easier. There we go. Pop those legs out of the socket, that kind of gives you some more room here. Probably should have done that first, but that's all right. Learn from my mistakes, so that way you don't make them. That's what I like to say. So this cartilage and stuff here, and literally once you get it open like that, it's that feather out of there. So you have your meat here. So this is where I switch knives, and I just have this fillet knife set, like used for fishing or whatever. I like this just because it gives me a longer blade, and I can work down and make the cut. So then Once I get that, I'll literally just run this. Here's a sternal blade right here. I'll just run it down the side and use the sternal blade as like a guide, like so. Just really carefully do that so that we don't cut ourselves and we don't cut into the guts and stuff there. Back here with this one, get this cartilage off. Just like a chicken breast. And that is what you want right there. Do a lot of different stuff with that. You can do nuggets, Sammy's, whatever you like. I don't care. Repeat the same process on the other side. Hope this is helpful. Y'all take care. Stay safe. We'll see you.